Good morning. Okay, so first of all, I look like a complete wreck from this long weekend. So first, let me fix that. Oh, my eyes are watering. The sunlight. Okay. I hope you can hear me with cartoons in the back. I'm not gonna put them off because then ain't nobody gonna hear nothing. I need to get my house sorted out, which is a complete wreck. I've just sorted myself out, which was a complete wreck. I need to get back to my business and get a whole lot of work done because I couldn't do any ordering of fabrics or anything due to the long Easter weekend. Say hello. I also have my 3 children home from school because it's school holidays, so I need to entertain them as well. Basically I want to be doing this channel for a few different reasons, which I will get into a bit later, but I don't know where to start, so I'm just going to start and just do it, and Mommy. Then it'll be done.
Mommy.
So
Mommy.
First it's cleaning the house and looking after kids.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yes, buddy.
Can I please go to my friend?
No, your friend can come here next time, okay? Anyway, I also do not have a tripod because that broke last week, so I don't actually know how I'm going to do this. I'm going to be propping you up all over the place, I guess. First of all, there is a mountain of dishes because I chose not to do dishes all weekend. So I need to sort that mountain out. I wouldn't say that I'm normal. I think that's probably the last thing that I'll call myself. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I do know what I'm doing. I'm doing the dishes. That's what we're doing. So dishes first. Let me try to prop this thing up on some sort of makeshift tripod thing and roll the time lapse of the dishes. Right, now that I've washed every damn dish in my house, I need to do some ordering for my business and
check the mic and make sure it sound right,
dishes.
boys.
The bed's done. I'm gonna do the ordering for my business now, and then I guess I have to start on the clothes. Actually, that's not all it. That's not all of it, because there's also clean washing over here. Oh! There's another pile of clean washing. Oh no, it's on the floor, but it's clean, I promise. Okay. Fun times, guys. Fun times. This is also what my tiny business looks like. Little shorty shorts, some back shorts, and our new fabrics made from recycled bottles. So we are helping the environment. Our eco-friendly fabrics. These are the first ones that came in, and a whole lot of swimsuits, shrimp shorts for swimming. And some kids' clothes. So cute little kids' clothes. I am love. Don't mind the kids' toys in the background. That is a mess that I still need to clean up. I also want to change my bumper on my car. My front bumper, it has been cracked for the last over a year, and I ordered another one the other day, so I'm going to put that on. It might be difficult, it might not be, but I have faith in myself, you know. So that's another thing I want to do, and yeah, okay. Okay, so this is the state of the bumper. It's the damage that I did driving into the back of my friend, actually. Yeah. So that's coming off, and I'm gonna put that new one on here. Yeah. Obviously it's a 10 and I've got a 12 and I've got an 8. Obviously. Like a bird. What a birdie. Birdie. Oh, birdie gone. Oh, hi birdie. Birdies. Okay, so I don't have a white spanner. Of course not. Does it tired? That would have been the shittest job ever if my brother hadn't found a 10 spanner in his car. Thank you very much, brother. It was a lifesaver. Okay, so I managed to get the grill off of that one and the number plate and get it onto this one all nice and neat. And I'm gonna put this on there, and then it needs to go for a good spray. It needs quite a lot of work on the rust actually. It's my daddy's old vehicle. So to take it to the panel beater anyway to fix that, and then she'll be ready for sale. Just about. A couple of rust spots that need to be sorted out, and that'll be that. Now it's time for dinner. So I'm gonna cook dinner now. It's one of my favorite meals to make. It's chicken noodle soup. It's from an old friend of mine who was Romanian or is Romanian. It's really simple. It's really quick. It's really cheap. It's great. My kids love it. I really like it. It's basically like a broth, chicken and vegetable broth with noodles in it, which is spaghetti. So I use 2 chicken breasts, a few carrots, 2 or 3 carrots, a few sticks of celery, some vegetable stock, and some spaghetti. A couple of leftover spaghettis that I'm gonna chuck in there. Okay, so I'm just frying up the carrots and the celery. I've chopped up the chicken into little cubes. Alright, then we're gonna put the chicken in. Fry that for a little bit. You don't want to fry it too long, otherwise it's going to get real tough. Pop that in with the celery and the carrots. And this is a 1-pot meal. Everything just goes into 1 pot, which is freaking amazing. Okay, you can see the chicken is just cooked. It's white. I'm going to pour my stock in. It's only 1 liter, so I'm going to keep pouring until there's enough for the spaghetti to be cooked in there too. Right, I ended up with 3.5 liters of water and a big pot with your other goodies in. And then I'm going to put these leftover packets of spaghetti in. You can use probably about half a packet of spaghetti. You break it in half, and Bob's your uncle. In 10 minutes time you have a delicious, hearty, great meal that the whole family will love. Yay! Okay, looks can be deceiving. It looks like some witch's broth brew. Anyway, there's the broken up. I just broke the spaghettis in half. Yeah. Anyway, I think that's where I'm going to leave you guys for the day. Thank you so much for watching. If you did make it this far, you are welcome to subscribe if you want to see more, if you want to get to know me better. I'm usually doing a lot more interesting things than washing dishes and fixing cars. We live in a beautiful area, the Garden Route in South Africa. So if you can, push the button. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Try out that meal. Let me know if you did try it out, how it came out. I really love it. Yeah. Okay, bye. And here is the end product. Ta-da! Okay, good night.